All right, we're gonna go to the 24 unit apartment building, meet with a contractor right now to kind of talk about the layout of the unit and how we want to change it for the new units. And then we'll be meeting with a new contractor, which I haven't for the last couple of years used a new contractor in Memphis, but I think with the amount of units we have, we may need to try to bring in some new contractors into Memphis. All right, so we're at the first apartment building I ever bought. We're meeting with a new contractor. We're showing him the final unit for this that's already been done by the other guy. We're gonna show him the finished product, have him come in, quote a bid to just do exactly the same thing, because we have some other buildings, they're not vacant yet, but once they are vacant, we're gonna want him to come through and do exactly what my other contractor did and see what his price point looks like.
Good.
Good, how are you? Antoine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So this is just a final unit, and we own, imagine just a blank slate, and this is the kind of quality that we want to do at the other unit, and then you can kind of tell me what it would be. Just imagine again a blank slate and no moving of any walls, just to do this kind of work, so we can just kind of walk around. Yeah, we do. Yeah, there's just a mile away. If you want to go there, there's a couple units vacant. We can walk.
Oh, okay.
You want to do that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Good.
We'll show you.
We'll show you, because the mini split, it's better to explain it at the.
Okay.
It's going to be interesting to see what his bid is, because we normally do it for 12 grand. If he comes in at 20 grand for that same stuff, I mean. So we want to talk about the unit structure for putting the washer and dryer. All right, we're at the apartment building now. I'm gonna go into one of the units and see how we can change the layout to add a washer and dryer. And so we'll show you kind of the layout we were thinking, which we just figured out today, and then the mini split. Hey everybody, I'm actually editing the video right now, but I just wanted to hop in here to kind of explain what the hell is going on. So we had tons of footage from this. This is probably like an hour of footage right here of us going back and forth with ideas. The main reason why we're going back and forth is we're trying to put a washer dryer in this unit. And as you can see, there's not a washer dryer right now. So where do we put it? How do we put it in the unit? If we put it here, then we can't use any of these cabinets. If we put it over here, you know, right where my face is, then we have to run plumbing from here all the way around, which can be expensive. So what we ended up doing, and what you'll see right after this clip, is we ended up moving this back wall about a couple feet forward, so that the kitchen is gonna look pretty similar to this with no washer dryer, and we're not gonna put the washer dryer in the kitchen, which we normally do for other units. But I don't really like personally having a washer dryer inside of the kitchen. Doesn't really make sense to me. So what we ended up doing was moving this a couple feet forward, putting the washer dryer over here to face the bedroom. The bedroom is on the other side of this wall. And then you'll see the kitchen is very nice, intact. It's all kitchen stuff. There's no washer dryer, no laundry needs to be done in the kitchen now. So check out the photos. Thanks for watching the video. All right, we just finished up with 2 contractors, meeting them about 2 different projects we're working on. Back at the Airbnb now, gonna take the van, go to lunch. We haven't eaten all day and it's 3 o'clock.
Get in the car! Hurry! The assassins are coming! Vámonos! Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos! Arriba, arriba!
FedEx, their international like distribution headquarters is going to be right here.
In the middle of downtown, bro?
Middle of downtown, bro.
We're gonna be like a
Couple $100 million project. And then this is the Bass Pro Shop. It's like the Long Beach. Oh, actually, let's go in there.
yeah.
We're back at the Airbnb now. Just finished showing my investors the 24 unit that they invested on a couple of months ago. If you guys like this video and want to subscribe, please do. There's going to be tons more content about all the out-of-state projects that I'm working on, all the apartment buildings in Memphis, and all the other buildings I'm working on in Memphis. And then also we'll be putting out more content about Cleveland and the single-family home projects. We have around 30 houses under construction there, so we're gonna go and film that as well. If you guys want to get in touch with me, please feel free to subscribe, shoot me a message, comment below. You can also follow me on Instagram where you can direct message me at Martel Antoine. Thanks again, see you later. Kid.